Fractions can be multiplied by other numbers. In this video, we will look at examples of multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Let's start with an example. A recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup of milk, but this recipe will feed 8 people. Suppose the recipe needs to be increased for 72 people. How much milk is needed for this scaled-up recipe? To scale up a recipe that feeds 8 so that it now feeds 72 is to multiply the ingredients by 9. So the 3/4 cup of milk needs to be multiplied by 9 as shown here. Since the denominator and the whole number don't have any common factors greater than 1, multiply the whole number and the numerator as shown here. This results in the improper fraction 27/4, which becomes the mixed number 6 3/4. Let's look at another example. In this stack of identically shaped planks, each one is 7/8 of an inch in height. What is the total height of the stack? How tall would 8 of these stacks be? To find the height of the 5-plank stack, multiply 7/8 by 5 as shown here. Since the denominator and the whole number don't have any common factors greater than 1, multiply the whole number and the numerator as shown here. This results in the improper fraction 35/8, or the mixed number 4 3/8. This is the height of the 5-plank stack. Next, we need to figure out the height of 8 such stacks. So multiply the mixed number by 8 as shown here. Multiply the whole number and fraction parts separately. The whole number multiplication is 32. And notice that the numerator and the whole number divide out, leaving 3. The sum is 35. Notice that if we had gone back to the improper fraction shown earlier and multiplied that by 8, the 8s would have divided out, leaving 35. When multiplying fractions and whole numbers, always look for opportunities to find common factors between the whole number and the denominator. Let's look at a final example. At a pizza party, on average, 5/8 of the pizzas were eaten. If there were 35 pizzas available at the party, how much pizza was left at the end of the party? What's shown in the illustration isn't the amount of pizza left, but the average amount of pizza eaten. The amount left is 1 minus this amount. The total amount of pizza left is shown in this expression, 1 minus 5/8, the average amount left, times 35. The average amount left is 3/8, and we multiply that by 35. Since there are no common factors greater than 1 for 8, the denominator, and 35, the whole number, then multiply the numerator by 35. We get the improper fraction 105/8, which results in the mixed number 13 1/8.